Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to see watch history on Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram account, tap on the profile icon, look at the right corner, tap on the three line, settings and privacy, and then search here to watch history. Now you can see no result. Go back, tap on the three line, click on your activity, tap on the like option, now you can easily customize any option. Now shown here your all likes, photo, video, reels history. Now Instagram only shown here your liked history, not only all see history. So this is the on and only way to check your watch history. Hope you are enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial review channel for more video.